Digital Mentor here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money on Facebook. Now this is going to be a method that's going to be great for beginners and is going to work for 2019 all the way through 2020. Now this is going to be a really quick video. It's going to be a really quick and easy way to make money online, and I'm not sure why I hadn't thought of making a video about this sooner. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as hitting the bell icon in the corner. That way I can send you notifications every single time that I upload videos. I promise that I'm not going to spam your email or your internet notifications, but just make sure you hit that so that way you're not missing out on any of these models of making money online. If you are looking to be able to work from home and do exactly what I do, you want to be making a full-time living online, make sure to check out my #1 recommendation for making money. It's going to be the first link in the description below. So guys, we are going to be using two separate websites in this video. We are obviously, I have them pulled up in the tab, we're going to be using Facebook as well as Fiverr. As I said before, we're going to be using Facebook, and I like to use Fiverr. I know that a lot of you are probably getting sick of me using Fiverr, but I found that it is one of the best freelancing sites that you can find. I know that people think that it's a little bit oversaturated and it's hard to find jobs on it, but I love Fiverr. So if you have any major accounts there, definitely make yourself a Facebook account as well as a Fiverr account. So getting right into this video, guys, we are going to go over to Facebook, and I already have it pulled up. And what you're going to be using is Facebook groups. This method of making money online is going to be, advertising your services on these Facebook groups. But ideally, it's not going to be your service. It's going to be someone else's service through Fiverr, and you are going to be charging them a little bit more than what the Fiverr freelancer is actually going to charge you, and you end up making a profit through the difference. And I know this is kind of like a little bit of a sneaky way to make money, but there's nothing illegal about it. You're totally able to do it. You're just middlemaning, and there's nothing illegal about being a middleman and still providing people with a service that they are asking for. They just haven't found out about Fiverr. You can use Upwork, Freelancer, and get people per pay, but I found that it's much easier to use Fiverr. Sorry guys, obviously I was approved for a different group for this video, so that's perfect. That's really going to help me out a lot. So get yourself over to your Facebook account, go and search groups, and for today's purposes, I'm going to be using graphic design groups. So I am just going to go right up to my tab, I'm going to search them, and I'm going to find all these awesome Facebook groups. As you can see, there's a bunch of them. For today's purposes, I'm just going to use graphic design. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into these groups, and you're just going to look around. You don't want to spam these groups with spammy posts. Hey, check out my link, I can make this for you, constantly. But you want to join as many Facebook groups as possible. Once you've joined the group, you want to make sure that you go right over to Fiverr as well and create yourself a free account. Now, you aren't actually going to be a freelancer. You are not going to be making these things yourselves. You are just going to be looking for freelancers. So we're just going to look up graphic design too while we're over at Fiverr. Graphic design. There we go. And as you can see, there are 7,397 services available. So there's quite a few people advertising their services here on graphic design. And you want to find somebody that's going to be able to be capable of doing whatever kind of graphic design you are looking for. Like this guy, he charges $55. He's got 114 reviews, and he has 5 stars. So we'll just go over with him. He starts, and this is the Smart Pack. He only offers 1 pack, so no matter what you ask him to do, you are going to be paying $55. So once you've found your person, you go over to these graphic design sites, and you say, hey, are you looking for top quality graphic designs? Send me a message if you are interested in graphic design services. Something along those lines. You can't just say, hey, I do graphic design, message me. You have to give them something. And say somebody messages you and they're looking for, some sort of graphic design or something. Then you are going to go right back over to the person that you have spoke to on Fiverr. Do not tell them that you're advertising their services as your own. That's probably not a good idea. Just let them know what you're looking for. And I found this guy. I really like him. He's $55 per graphic design, no matter what it is. So try and find yourself a bigger graphic design. And one thing I really do like about him is he has a 2-day delivery. It's for commercial use, so that makes it really easy too, because you can use this for other companies. And you just go and you keep posting this all over these groups and keep posting, provide them with a little bit of valuable content, so that way they get something before they actually buy something from you. I highly recommend that you sign yourself up for a PayPal account. So that way, when someone does decide to buy a graphic design from you, they use PayPal. PayPal is probably the best way to send money online that I have found. And I know I say it in all of my videos. If you have not signed yourself up for a PayPal account, make sure to get yourself signed up as soon as possible. You're really going to appreciate it. It's going to help you out in the long run. So make sure that you get yourself a PayPal account. And I told you guys this video is going to be really quick, really easy. Someone's going to get a hold of you, tell you that they need something made for them. You're going to say, okay, you're going to give them a price. And, say it's a bigger project. Say, I'm going to have to get $125 from you. And they say, okay, let them know that you're going to have it to them within a couple days. You go over to Fiverr, you write the person that you're using through Fiverr, you explain, you honestly can just copy and paste what the person from your Facebook group has sent you. You copy, paste it, send in the message, make sure that your freelancer is capable of doing it, and you send them the $55 that they need, and you profit $75 difference from what the Facebook group person had wrote you. So I told you it's really quick, it's really easy. I've seen a few people do it in other Facebook groups, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's a quick, easy way to make money online. You don't have to have any skills. All you need is your computer and some internet connection. Now, this is also going to be a worldwide method of making money online. Fiverr is worldwide, as well as Facebook. You can also use other forms of social media, but I found that Facebook groups are probably the more saturated ones, and you're going to get more sales from them. So definitely make yourself your account. Make yourself a account different from your personal account so that you don't have people raiding your personal account all the time, and then get yourself going. It's really quick, it's really easy, and like I said, this is going to work through 2020 all the way through 2020. Sorry guys, I'm not used to the idea of it being 2020 soon. If you like this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I know a lot of you are bopping through all of these videos and have not subscribed yet. More subscribers help my channel grow, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you have any questions about this method of making money online, write me a comment or get a hold of me on any of my social medias, my Twitter, my Instagram. I have a Facebook for Digital Mentor. You can write me a comment. I'm all over on LinkedIn, wherever you need, and I will be able to help walk you through the steps of being able to use this method of making money online. But guys, I have to warn you, this is not probably going to be a full-time income for you. If you are interested in making a full-time income online, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's exactly what I do and how I'm able to stay home with all 3 of my kids each and every day. I can travel. I went on vacation I think in August, and was able to actually work from my condo that I rented. So check out my #1 recommendations, the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.